Welcome back another video. So how you can change your desktop background automatically. So if you want to do that, you have to just right click on your desktop. Okay, when you right click on your desktop, you can see personalize option. Just click on personalize option. When you click on personalize option, you can see the background here. Okay, you can see the background and you can select other backgrounds. Okay, this is the first thing, but you can go the theme page. Okay, this is the theme page, so you can click on theme icon. When you click on theme icon, you can see here there are many themes. Okay, so if just I say I want this theme, okay, but I want more something special. Okay, so just click on here browse themes. When you click on browse theme, you redirect to Microsoft Play Store. Yeah, here you can see lots of theme, just like I like uh, I like beaches. Okay, when I click on beaches, you can see this is a free theme. Okay, so just you can click on get and it will automatically install it. Okay, so just I have click on get. Just wait for the moment, it is ready, preparing to download. And when it's the download, it will appear here. Okay, it will appear here. You can see, you can choose the theme, just like this one theme. Okay, it will appear here. I'll choose it. Okay, when you choose it, automatically it will update. Okay, so let me show you. Now you can see, so whatever theme you want, you can update it here. Okay, so that's it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel. Okay, bye.